This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Stauffer. Relish in sweeping city and bay views from nearly every window of this Barkley home. Main level living space has open floor plan with vaulted ceilings, granite counters, stainless appliances, hardwood floors and gas fireplace. Spacious deck with glass panels has access off the open master suite. Master bath is fully fitted with jetted tub and tiled shower. Lower level includes large family room, hardwood floors, gas fireplace, patio and 3 beds. Yard is fully fenced and landscaped to perfection. For more information, review the details below.